Hello there guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to know how to change the boot animation on router devices. This method will work on every Android version. All we need is just one app, and also we can get it in the Play Store. Go to Play Store, search for the app called Live Boot. Install the app and then open it. It will ask for the root permission. Grant the permission. Scroll down, and also we can enable the pro features for free. Then choose transparent, and we can also add a dark background too. Okay, time to check it in the real world.